Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this one, I'm showing to you how to add realistic clouds to your images so that you don't need to make those strange cuts around it. You can simply use screen modes and some color adjustments so that you can have better results. So now I've already here my cloud layer, and what we can do is that to go down below and add a black and white adjustment layer. Just like that. We will clip it to the cloud layer, and since we have a lot of blues here that we want to hide, we will decrease until make it very dark so that we can have sharper edges to cut around the cloud. And we can move also here the slider of the science a little bit down and go back to our layer and select here the blending mode normal, and let's switch it to screen. And there we go. That's how it looks, the realistic cloud in your image with that adjustments, and you can move it now. If you see here in the darker part of the sky, it works pretty well, and if you move it also here, it looks pretty realistic. Okay, now I have another example with another image. So this one, it's a more complex one. There are several clouds here, but you can see with the same technique, you can also add this to your skies. So let's add another black and white adjustment layer. Let's clip it and apply the same thing. So let's decrease the blues and also the cyan, because here we have more cyan in the image. Of course, then we will need to mask the field, and I will show you how to do it. Okay, let's see if like that it's okay. Then move it, our layer to screen, and as you can see, it works pretty well. And now just to remove this part, because this is an excess all on our image, with our layer selected, we will select here the layer mask. So let's add a new layer mask, and we need to hide. So we have our mask in white, so we need to paint in black to delete the layer. So I will select my brush tool with everything 100%, and I will start to paint in black. And you will notice here on our clipping mask that it's on black, so I'm hiding the information. Okay, so I will not do this in detail because I can do this in another tutorial, and for you to understand how to add the clouds, this works pretty well. So, and as you can see, there's our final image, and it works pretty well, our cut. So this is with one example, and this is with another example. I hope you enjoyed the video. Give a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. That will help me a lot to grow this channel, and I hope to see you in another video.